Today, I will show how to buy shares of Aramark as a practical example. Aramark is a food services and facilities company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker ARMK, and this video is educational, not financial advice. To buy stocks, you need a broker, and I'll use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually with an ID, and add funds before placing a trade. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker ARMK to find Aramark. Select the matching NASDAQ listing to open the correct stock page. On the stock page, you will see basic company information and a price chart to review recent movement. Confirm the company name and NASDAQ ticker to ensure it is the correct Aramark listing. To invest, click Buy, choose the amount you want to invest, review the order details, and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order will execute when it reopens, and the platform will prompt you to add funds if your balance is insufficient. After purchase, the Aramark position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it, a soft CTA. Find the eToro link in the description if you want to visit the platform.